Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, go into calendar. Now you need to pick a month and the date by tapping on the chosen one. When you're done, click on this green icon at the bottom right corner. From here, you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose location, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off the switcher by tapping on all day. You can also take notes and even set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before. When you're done, just save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it though by tapping on it, clicking on it again, and tapping on delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice by tapping on delete over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!